Today we are in the beautiful townhome community of Val Vista Park. We're Paul and Alicia from the Anderson team, and we are thrilled to introduce you to 1015 South Val Vista Drive, number 23.
This adorable townhouse has 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and lots of updates. It has its own private patio and community pool. And best of all, the location is phenomenal. You'll want to check this one out.
For more information on this beautiful home, or to schedule your own private tour, or perhaps you're curious what your house might be worth in today's market, give us a call or send us a text anytime at the number below.
Or visit us on our website. We'd love to connect with you. And remember, make it a smart move.
Today we are in
Wait, I just shook my head funny. And it...
For more information.
Wait, I just itched when you started. Sometimes
Are you set?
I'm set. Did you just snort?
I did just snort.
Did you get that?